Imagine coming home to a perfectly clean house every single day. No dust, no pet hair, no crumbs, your floors are pristine and you didn't lift a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? For most people it is, because most robot vacuums are a letdown. They get stuck, they miss spots, they're more trouble than they're worth. But what if I told you that after testing over 30 models I found 5 that are genuine game changers, 5 robots so smart they don't just clean, they think. In this video we're revealing which 5 made the cut, and the number 1 pick will shock you. Watch closely. Starting at number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra makes hands-off cleaning easier with its all-in-one dock, which empties, washes, and dries the mop while refilling detergent and water. Its smart dirt detection remops areas that need extra attention, and built-in pet cameras let you check in on your furry friends while it cleans. Extendable side brushes and a mop that lifts over carpets help the vacuum reach corners, edges, and tight spots for a more thorough clean. In our trials, the S8 MaxV Ultra was fast and efficient, completing our cleaning course in just under 11 minutes while picking up medium and large debris effectively on both hard floors and carpets. It did occasionally nudge smaller obstacles like pet toys or socks, but consistently avoided collisions with larger objects. Number 2. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy 11S Max robot vacuum delivers high-end features, like automatic suction adjustment, at an incredibly appealing price point. Its sleek and ultra-slim design, standing just under 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under low-profile furniture like ottomans and couches, tackling even the hardest-to-reach dirt. Equipped with BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when detecting dirtier areas. We also like that its large wheels allow smooth transitions between medium pile carpet, hardwood, and tile, though it can't pass thresholds taller than 0.65 inches, so it may struggle with taller door ledges. Sensors on the underside prevent falls from ledges or stairs, while laser navigation ensures it maneuvers effectively without bumping into walls or furniture. The included remote control offers added convenience, allowing you to activate spot cleaning or focus on the edges of a room. Like most robot vacuums, the 11S Max is designed to return to its charging base when the battery runs low, fully recharging itself before its next cleaning session. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV2502AE. Shark AI's compact design and self-emptying bin make it a standout choice, especially for carpet cleaning. It's our best overall pick in our roundup of the best robot vacuums for carpet. Its streamlined footprint impressed us, and setup was a breeze. It's ready to clean with just the press of a button. The robot navigated tight spaces and cleaned under kitchen cabinet toe kicks without getting stuck. However, the LiDAR sensor on top makes it too tall to fit under some low-profile furniture. After methodically covering our test floors, the Shark returned to its dock and emptied every speck of debris it collected. On carpet, it performed exceptionally well, lifting nearly all debris in our tests. Impressively, during one trial, it even returned to pick up a missed piece of debris on its second pass. Be aware, though, that the dustbin emptying process is quite loud, but it lasts only about 20 seconds. The dustbin in the base is easy to remove and empty, and the filters in both the robot and the dock are washable, though only the base filter is HEPA certified. Other notable features include a self-cleaning brush roll that minimizes hair tangles, an ultra-clean mode that revisits areas 3 times for a deeper clean, and the ability to glide smoothly over lightweight rugs and mats that sometimes trip up other robots. Number 4. Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum. Most of the robot vacuums we recommend are combination vacuum mop units, self-emptying models, or both. While these features are convenient, they typically require larger charging docks to accommodate a water tank or internal dust bag. While it lacks mopping or self-emptying capabilities, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav is a compact, reliable option for anyone prioritizing high-end vacuum performance. By focusing on the essentials, it saves space without sacrificing premium features like voice control, automatic suction adjustment, and scheduled cleaning. In our tests, this Dyson excelled at vacuuming. Its triple-action brush bar, which combines soft nylon, stiff bristles, and anti-static carbon fiber filaments, effectively prevents hair tangles and clogs. During our pet hair pickup tests, none of the faux fur caused clogs, and the brush bar's near full-width design allowed it to clean the same area in fewer passes. The VisNav also impressed us with its exceptional suction power. In our carpet pickup tests, it outperformed all other models at removing heavy debris like sand. While it doesn't have a self-emptying base, we found maintenance to be simple. The dustbin detaches easily, and a one-touch ejection button lets you quickly dispose of debris directly into the trash. Number 5. Eureka J15 Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. The Eureka J15 Ultra is less than half the price of our top overall pick, but goes well beyond basic with an 8-in-1 base that empties debris, refills water, and even washes and dries the mop with hot water, keeping maintenance to a minimum for up to 75 days. It delivers powerful suction for deep carpet and hard floor cleaning, while its flex-arm mop and rounded square body reach tight corners and edges. It also has a built-in brush the brand says cuts through hair 400 times per minute to prevent tangles, great for pet owners. In testing, the J15 Ultra took a bit longer to complete our course map than others, but it excelled on hard floors and performed solidly on carpet. It navigated furniture with precision, cleaning between stool legs and along walls without issue, but tended to push smaller objects around. And there you have it, the 5 robot vacuums that are truly worth your money in 2025. No more guesswork, no more buyer's remorse to get your own hands on any of these smart home heroes. Every single product link is waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide saved you time, money, and sanity, please like the video. It tells YouTube you found it helpful. Share this with a friend or family member who deserves a cleaner home, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews that actually help you decide the future of cleaning is here. Will you be a part of it?